Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin. My Ethereum trades activated a few hours ago already in the profits, which is beautiful. And we'll look at what I'm holding and any requests that you have down below. Comment in the comment section, any tickers you want me to analyze. And join us in the Telegram. You can find it at jamescryptoguru.com. It's a free Telegram. There's more than, I think, 10,000 of you, 5,000 in the chat, and usually 200 to 500 online at any time. Highly moderated in there as well. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Bitcoin right now sitting at 90,600. It pumped a few hours ago to 91,400 about 4 hours ago and then just dropped. V-shaped recovery on Bitcoin came down to 89,400 on the 15 minutes. Looks like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder building on Bitcoin. We'll jump in. Huge volume for a Sunday. Very big volume. People chatting in the Guru chat, sharing charts on XRP pumping 3.18 trillion market cap. So the market cap has gone up 200 billion in the last week. 559,000 viewers on Bitcoin Price.live and Bitcoin trying to hold 90,600. Get 60k bonus on Bybit. You can scan this QR code. It's the main exchange I use for trading, and I'm going to trade in there now with $800 and something thousand account. We're in extreme greed, everyone. So be very cautious going heavy long or buying a lot here. You want to buy in extreme fear. You want to sell in extreme greed. Buy low, sell high. Buy in fear, sell in greed. 55% dominance, but now it's apparently approaching 60% dominance. Funding fee is positive, 90,596. We'll jump into the technicals and I'll show you my charts. Going into the charts, XRP pulling back today. We've got Ton a little bit. Solana pumping 10%. Goat up 4%. We're buying it at 35 cents. Guru Ventures now it's $1.27. Crazy gains. That's actually huge percentage-wise. It's now higher, actually. Look at that. So in the last, since I posted about GOAT, it's now up 270% in a few months, or 1 month, not even. Bitcoin 90,700. I start on the weekly. We've got 12 hours remaining, still pumping out of the bull flag, pumping out of the cup and handle. Crypto Guru bot still a blue buy. It fired back in February 2023 at 20k. JamesCryptoGuru.com. You get the indicator bot. Bitcoin indicator bot as well. Fired by 3 weeks ago, still a blue buy. So both indicators together firing buys on Bitcoin, and that's when we had this huge move out. We broke out of the bull flag, and now we're just on a parabolic, and it does look like a bullish pennant. Let's go closer into the 4 hour, and volume is growing. I mean, the last 2 days, it still dropped off for Saturday, Sunday, but still strong volume. Bitcoin also, you can see it's breaking out of this bullish pennant. Everyone see it? So this is a big bullish pennant here, pole and then pennant. And you can see here that it measured 109,000 is the target, and you can see it broke out just a few hours ago and then came back in. Interesting, not much of a pullback. The lowest we got down was 89,000. I've got trades set at 88,000 and 80,000. It looks like it could have been a fake out possibly. See, these build pressure like this, but see, it's trying to break out right now. You can see it's actually not pulling back much. It's pushing against it very strongly. But I would still try to take a trade at 88k, 88,400, stop loss 87,400, risking 660, 31 risk to reward to make 660 to make $20,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage, 10x leverage, 200,000. And then for a safer trade, I would take it at 80k, stop loss 79,500, risking 740, 39 risk to reward ratio, every dollar risk, 39 gain, 740 to make 29,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage, 10x leverage, 290. These are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. And I mean, a lot of people could have got trapped here and gone long, but it does look like it's trying to push out. Lucky if I think usually up here, we'll be able to get a pullback to 88 to activate trades. But it should be very careful going heavy long up here. The time to go long was at 16k, 90,600 followers. Bitcoin price on this date. Buying Bitcoin and altcoins today will be life-changing. I said that on 8th of the 2nd, 2023. The price of Bitcoin on this date was 21,600. Going heavy long on Bitcoin now is dangerous. Also, my Ethereum trade now activated. Ethereum trade activated automatically. I said it 1 day ago. Big Ethereum target 3,700 on this bull flag. And I set the trade take profit target 3,753. I'll make 22,000 and I risk 2,700, so 10x. And then the trade activated, and now that trade is now active on Bybit. So now I've got 2 leverage trades. It activated by itself. My Ethereum trade, that one that I posted 1 day ago, is now 1,800 in the profits. It was 3,000 a few minutes ago before Bitcoin dropped off a little bit. But already that trade is now active and positive. Exactly caught that V-shaped dip. See, we went to 3,157. So that trade is now active, 1,900 in profits. My world trade, so this Ethereum trade is $100,000, $98,000, and used 9,000 margin, made $2,000. This trade is $200,000 on world, and I've used 60,000 margin, but it's still currently down. This account 799814, pulling back a little bit today. Earlier today we were 808, so it's pulled back a little bit. You can see I'm in cash and on those trades, and I'm holding 369 cash plus, so probably about, I would say 50% cash. You can see my asset breakdown here, what I'm holding on my spot positions. So I've got MCRT 14%, USDT 57%, World 12%, Uni 8%, TON 7%. Now they count 800. So that's what I'm holding in the, so you can see here, that's what I've bought spot. So I'm mainly holding spot besides those two trades, 77K World, 92K MCRT, 53 Uni, 50K TON. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. I'm seed investor and own all of these tokens, so you have to make your own trades, own decisions. So that's the buy on Ethereum has activated, and the take profit is set for 37,500. Stop loss is 2,960. So I'll get a, if it hits, it will be a 22,000 profit trade, which will be beautiful. Let's go into Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum because that trade is now active. And BNB is pumping, and look, BNB is about to break out of a massive bull flag, everyone. I'm holding BNB as well, everyone. And you can see here, bull flag on BNB, and you can see it's already breaking out, retested, with volume starting to increase. Look at this bull flag. If this plays out, and since I posted to buy BNB back at $200, it's up 204%. Target of this bull flag is 874. Let's go into Ethereum, 3,109. The trade from the one I set activated. See, it's got a bull flag with volume increasing, and it broke out of this. If I zoom out onto the weekly, you'll clearly see it. It broke out of this trend line goes back to 2022 September. So it's about 2 years it's been going off this trend line, Ethereum. And now it's broken out of this massive descending triangle. This one here, you learn it in the Crypto Master Course. Builds pressure and breaks out the base of the triangle. Target is 4,000 for it. And then when we zoom in, you can see it's already broken out, and there's a small bull flag that formed. So pole and then flag. And that target of this bull flag is 3,753, and you see it came down, activated my trade, and then bounced, and it was much more, but already in profits. But it's only $50 from where I entered. I've got take profit stop loss at 2,900, and the take profit target at 4,700. I don't know why I had it at 5,000. There must be a reason. But Ethereum breaking out. You have to do your own due diligence, but this risk to reward is quite good for this trade. It's 19 risk to reward ratio. Which is already active. So this trade is $2,000 already, 2,100 in the profit, and that take profit and the stop loss is already set. So I'll make $22,970 if the take profit hits at 3,700, or I'll lose 2,700 if it comes down to 2,900. But I could actually add more. I think Ethereum is going to pump out. So maybe I remove that stop loss, also a possibility. Yeah, I think Ethereum is going to pump. So I'm going to get rid of the stop loss, and I'm going to add margin to this trade if it pulls back. Confirm. So I took off the stop loss, and if it pulls back towards the liquidation 2,700, I'll add margin to this trade. Actually, let's add margin now, because I made remember when I didn't add margin to the 9,000 Bitcoin trade? Sorry, the 40 Bitcoin trade that I had at 19K. So if I add $4,000, it'll add 100. No, better hit stop loss. And then just reactivate it, because the cost to add margin is more than the trade almost. So that's what's going on in the market. Let's read some of your Telegram questions. There's 610 of you online. And if you get the premium membership, everyone, on Telegram, it auto-translates everything. XRP, correction possible. Looks like a little bullish pennant. Sorry, just learning. Following James seems to be the only true crypto person. Thank you very much, Kali. And so people discussing, hi guys, is XRP still expected? Ethereum looks like a bull flag. Strong support, market makers, people discussing. You can join them, 610 of you online. They're discussing world tokens, XRP, trades 190% on Bonk. What do you guys think about Sui for long term? Any price targets for that project? I'd like to hear from James about it. I'll try and do it in the next video, because I already went through a lot. Condolences. Thank you everyone for the well wishes for my grandma. Sending condolences. Thank you so much. Cheers, James. Okay, I'll do XRP. When are you going to change our life with MCRT? I've been buying more, and the team is building incredible. They've also added Doge. I'll try and find it. they added Doge character to the game, and they're going to add the cryptocurrency of Doge inside the game, so you'll be able to play for MCRT, and there will also be prizes in Doge. This is all my posts today. I've been posting a lot. This is I said I've driven all the best cars in the world, and this is the best bike. And then people are like, you haven't driven the best cars. And then this picture, this is an Aston Martin I drove, which is a very nice car, one of my favorites. Lamborghini, and upgraded to the new Lambo of bikes. Really, it's so good fitness to ride around. Okay, you can check out that stuff. Join us in the Telegram. All the links are down below. Oh, and here's the Doge character coming to the Magicraft. Already, the game, you get this free Doge skin in the Magicraft game up until the 24th of November. James, you changed my life. Not only I started trading, getting more money, but my mindset changed. Love for you, brother. Keep doing your thing. Thank you so much. Appreciate your tips. Following your advice, made 10K in profits. My investment portfolio is a Bitcoin ETF. Amazing. Congratulations, Shah. And you can see the links down below to buy. But 60K bonus when you trade with that link. CoinW International. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the Telegram and for the chats. And Bitcoin is pumping a little bit right now, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're having a little pump on the, 15-minute candle. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. On X again.